We are here at 2875 Sawtooth in Idaho Falls. We walk into the living room on the right, and then the kitchen and dining area on the left. This is a 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. There's a family room. Here's the first bedroom. And the bathroom. There's closet space in there. The second bedroom. Brand new floor in the kitchen. And then we'll head downstairs. Well, we've got a garage right there. This is the access. We go down and into the family room. And we've got the third bedroom here on the left. Big windows for the basement. It's nice and bright in here. And then the second bathroom, also new floors. And this is also the laundry area. The washer and dryer is included. The last bedroom is over here. Again, bright, big bright windows. And then we have another room that can be used as a bedroom if you wanted, or an office. Some more storage space or closet space, and then more storage space. If you'd like to schedule a showing, please give us a call. The phone number is 208-552-7368. Thank you.